What's up, folks? It's Fonky Friday on the railroad. We just now pulled up here to Washington Street. And that's southbound CSX, baby. Check this out. Seaboard system, 1982, baby. And it's funky too, I can tell. Southbound CSX double stack, CSX I-141, yes sir. Again, I was on my way right down here to Washington Street. Looked down and the gates were already descended. I'm happy I did get down here just in time because that seaboard system, I have been trying to get that engine. We here at Rail Fan and Vibes have been trying to get that engine on video, and we finally did. Yes, sir. It's Fonky Friday on the railroad. We are definitely getting funky right now. It's Fonky Friday on the railroad in the land of funk in Dayton, Ohio. Southbound CSX intermodal. And again, I can't stress it enough. It's funky too. Yes, a series of singles. Yes, sir. What if we have a double stack? Not a double stack. A DPU. Z-Factor, baby. This train came out of nowhere. I was just downtown and didn't see it. It's one of them things. You ever want to start rail fanning? You'll run into this from time to time. You'll miss a couple of trains just because sometimes it just sneak up on you. That's all a part of it. Fonky Friday on the railroad, folks. Like, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend about us. We want the funk. You gotta have that funk, yes. All right, there goes our southbound CSX I-141. Going Fonky Friday on the railroad, folks. Check it out. We got something else for you right now. Check it out. All right, rail fans, we're going to keep the funk coming. We got a train coming, yes sir. Rail fan and Vibe. RFC in the house. Yes, sir. Yes, indeed. You're tuned in to another RFC video production. We got a Southbound, Norfolk Southern. Let's break. It's Fonky Friday on the railroad, folks. We keep the funk flowing on here. I don't know what they do over there, but we get funky on Rail 55. Yes, sir. It's funky. Check out that big Union Pacific boxcar. Looking beautiful. Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am. You know, I like these cars right here. Top Gun, coal hoppers. Then we got a series of guns. Big TTX, baby. All right, folks, there goes our southbound. Norfolk Southern, big freight. Fonky Friday on the railroad. Thanks for tuning in. Like, share, and subscribe to the channel Rail Fanny Vibes. Along with our Rail Fanny birds up top on the power lines. To the next video, folks. Peace out.